Get ready to challenge yourself with 25 questions on basics of HTML and HTML5. Question number 1. Which HTML5 tag is used to display a video? The correct answer is option D. Video. The video element is used to display a video in an HTML document. Question number 2. Which HTML5 tag is used for defining a horizontal line? The correct answer is option A. HR. The HR tag is used to define a horizontal line, horizontal rule, in HTML. Question number 3. Which HTML5 tag is used for defining a line break? The correct answer is option A. BR. The BR tag is used to define a line break in HTML, forcing content to appear on a new line. Question number 4. What does the alt attribute in the ing tag represent? The correct answer is option B. Alternate text for the image. The alt attribute in the ing tag is used to provide alternate text for the image, which is displayed if the image cannot be loaded or for accessibility purposes. Question number 5. What does HTML stand for? The correct answer is option A. Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used for structuring content on the web. Question number 6. How do we create navigation menu in HTML5? The correct answer is option C. Nav. The nav element is used to define a navigation menu in an HTML document, typically containing links to other pages or sections of the site. Question number 7. Which HTML5 tag is used for creating a hyperlink? The correct answer is option B. A. The A anchor tag is used to create hyperlinks in HTML. Question number 8. Which HTML5 tag is used to define the structure of an HTML document? The correct answer is option C. HTML. The HTML tag is used to define the root element of an HTML document. Question number 9. What does the 5 represent in HTML5? The correct answer is option A. The fifth version of HTML. The 5 in HTML5 represents the fifth version of the HTML language. Question number 10. Which HTML5 tag is used for defining the main content of an HTML document? The correct answer is option B. Main. The main tag is used to define the main content of an HTML document. Question number 11. What does the ing tag represent in HTML5? The correct answer is option A. An image. The ing tag is used to display an image in an HTML document. Question number 12. Which HTML5 tag is used for creating an ordered list? The correct answer is option C. All. The all ordered list tag is used to create an ordered list in HTML. Question number 13. What is the purpose of the div element in HTML5? The correct answer is option A. To define a division or section of content, the div element is used to define a division or section of content in HTML. Question number 14. Which HTML5 tag is used for creating a table? The correct answer is option A. Table. The table tag is used to create a table in HTML, which can contain rows, tr, cells, td, and header cells, eth. Question number 15. Which HTML5 tag is used for creating a list item? The correct answer is option A. Li. The li list item tag is used to create an item in a list, whether it's an ordered list, all, or an unordered list, all. Question number 16. Which HTML5 tag is used for creating a clickable button? The correct answer is option C. Button. The button tag is used to create a clickable button in an HTML document. Question number 17. What is the purpose of the form element in HTML5? The correct answer is option D. To create a form for user input, the form element is used to create a form in HTML for collecting user input. Question number 18. What does the ref attribute in the a tag specify? The correct answer is option C. The location of the linked resource. The ref attribute in the a tag specifies the location, URL, of the linked resource. Question number 19. What is the purpose of the meta element in the head section of an HTML document? The correct answer is option C. To provide metadata about the document, the meta element in the head section of an HTML document is used to provide metadata about the document, such as character encoding and author information. Question number 20. What is the purpose of the block quote element in HTML5? The correct answer is option C. To display a block of quoted text, the block quote element is used to display a block of quoted text in an HTML document. Question number 21. What does the src attribute in the script tag specify? The correct answer is option C. The location of the external JavaScript file, the src attribute in the script tag specifies the location, URL, of the external JavaScript file to be included in the document. Question number 22. What does the showSet attribute in the meta tag specify? The correct answer is option A. The character encoding of the document, the showSet attribute in the meta tag specifies the character encoding used for the document, such as UTF-8. Question number 23. What does the type attribute in the input tag specify for text input fields? The correct answer is option D. The type of data expected in the input field, the type attribute in the input tag specifies the type of data expected in the input field, such as text, email, or password. Question number 24. Which HTML5 tag is used for defining a definition list? The correct answer is option A. DL. The DL Definition list. Tag is used to define a definition list in HTML, which consists of terms, dt, and their definitions, dd. Question number 25. What is the purpose of the head element in an HTML document? The correct answer is option B. To define a header section with a title and metadata, the head element is used to define a header section in an HTML document that contains the document's title and metadata. Thank you for visiting us. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.